What if I told you these breathtaking waterfalls almost became a private playground for millionaires? Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke. The waterfalls of DuPont State Recreational Forest were born nearly 450 million years ago, when ancient continents collided and reshaped this land. But their greatest battle didn't happen in prehistoric times. It happened just a few decades ago. When DuPont sold thousands of acres to North Carolina in 1996, only Hooker Falls was included. The park's most famous waterfalls, High Falls, Triple Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, were left out. 3 years later, a developer bought the surrounding land with plans to build an exclusive gated community, putting public access to these natural wonders at risk. After an intense legal battle and conservation fight, North Carolina stepped in, using eminent domain in 2000 to purchase the land for nearly $25 million, preserving these waterfalls forever. Today, visitors can experience the spectacular 150-foot high falls, the iconic Triple Falls, and the unique Hooker Falls.
Hooker Falls.
Landscapes so stunning they starred in The Last of the Mohegans and The Hunger Games. Sometimes the greatest adventure isn't discovering a hidden treasure, it's saving one. Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke.